We are finally here at Pfeiffer Beach. कल शाम को भी आए थे, रात में भी आए थे. This time it's a totally different thing. There are no stars right now here, but trust me guys, there are stars all around the sky. Just look at this. We took a few of shots right from here and covered the whole stars. Actually, interestingly, we're planning to make a kind of starburst video with Orion at the center instead of North Pole. Let's see how that works out. Moti, go catch the ball. Moti.
मोती का है
As you can see, the terrain is really getting bad right now, and Shafi is changing his shoes. Well, if you can't see, actually there are like 1, 2, 3, 4 morons standing there who are actually fishing here. And that's the Pfeiffer Beach needle point.
जब तक हमारा
हाँ देखा ना Nope, that was some fucked up shit. So actually, we are fucked up.
right here.
We are in a trail that doesn't seem to go anywhere. We are at a fucking good height. Okay, let's see if we come back alive. So it seems Shafi is currently slipping right now. I'm gonna show you The baby steps and the crawling.
ग्रिप मिल गया थोड़ा सा धीरे-धीरे चलते हैं
We are not walking here. We are crawling here. This doesn't look good. Well, that was a bad idea.
ऐसे बॉल गिर गया मेरे हाथ से अरे बॉल ठीक है मैं ना गिर जाऊं बॉल को गिरने दे
Don't worry about the ball. जाएगा सीधा creek में.
प्रायोरिटी चूज करनी है मुझे तो मैं जल्दी बताऊंगा ना हां ऑब्वियसली बॉल को जाने दे इसलिए बोल रहा हूं
So here, there goes the Wilson. Wilson! Wilson! Okay, Wilson is gone.
One down.
One down. I think it would be me to go down next.
Oh fuck, यहाँ पे तो गंदा स्लिप हो रहा है शाश्वत यहाँ तो गंदा था हाँ
Okay, that was not at all good. There was a landslide and a big boulder just rolled off from the hill.
Gaurav, are you okay?
No, I'm not. And it just...
We survived. I mean, we are still in the
it
survival
just hit
mode.
It hit my bone in the leg and fucking it's paining.
Yet.
We lost our ball.
No,
So-
not our ball. A football.
So the loss, yeah, the football. Okay, I think there is humor
हमारे
in every
balls अभी भी
location.
intact है.
I think there is humor in every situation. So currently the situation is we're gonna go there.
मजा तो आ रहा है क्यों नहीं?
There is no.
Exactly.
There doesn't seem to be any way to go there,
खुशी नहीं मिलता.
and we might think that we might not make it from here. So the best possible solution that we thought was to smoke a cigarette. I think we all should die with dignity, and what's better way to die with a cigarette in my hand? Because with a cigarette in my hand, I'm already a dead man. So that doesn't make any sense, but still.
I want my.
All right.
I want my football.
I will check back if we survive this. So finally we made it, but now
Wilson.
we are here to get back Wilson.
Wilson.
And this looks like another dead end for us.
You gotta rescue Wilson.
There are thorns all around here. Ah, fuck. And we are fucked up. I'm not sure you can see the ball. Okay, Shashwat is slipping. Shashwat, don't slip, man.
Trying not to.
And here I am, holding the fort. Let's see if we get safe from this. Oh, we are very close.
Well, we are not there.
But we will.
Close. We are not there.
Yeah, we are close. Okay.
Rescue Wilson.
Keep sure you are stepping on the roots.
Trying to, man. Trying to do whatever I can.
Okay, somehow we ended up getting fucked again. It's like really high. So if you can't come up.
Hey, I'm already up. I'm as up as you.
Shashwat the hero.
Shashwat to the rescue for Wilson. Wilson.
What if Wilson said he has moved on?
No. He can't move on. He will move on with us.
See, the thing is like you can't pull it with the log. Keep your hands or legs on the roots and हाथ से निकाल उसको. डंडा से घंटा नहीं आएगा वो. I was about to say something else, but okay. The thing is, let me stop the video for now because I got the ball. Let me handle it.
Did it!
Okay, we finally did it.
Yes.
Got the ball from that fucked up place.
Let me shoot everyone's asses. You should look at everyone's ass. Turn around. Turn around.
That's an ass of a man. Oh.
Ball भी दिख रहा है. Ball is back.
Yeah, maybe the ball is back. Oh, what's the next trail?
ऐसी कुछ ट्रेल करते हैं, डिस्कवर करते हैं. This is interesting, right? Yeah. This is better than regular trails. Trail high आ गया.
And just make sure that we lose our ball again so that we have some motivation to go.
Yeah.
Shafi's trying to hit that ball on that branch. Let's see. Okay, that was a bad idea. We don't know where the ball went again. Now Shafi's turn. You know what this is? This is called a bad habit.
We say no to bad habits.
And you know how do we
Say no to bad habits.
How do we leave our bad habits? Just like this.
To new life.
No smoking. Jewel bhi gaya.
To new life.
Say no to bad habits.
Edge of the world. साला edge of the world तो कितनी बार बोला है.
Nothing and nothing. It's just the Pacific Ocean. Clear blue waters, cold waters, hot waters. Foot लेके जा पास.
I'm down. अगर मेरे पास unlimited छुट्टी हो और काफी पैसे हो तो मैं चला जाऊँ.
Well said.
Drawing sad and much spite under the blind. Shiny and contoured, the railway winds. And I've heard this sound from my cousin's bed, the hiss of the train.